This is a Dimchae Kimchi Refrigerator. It has two zones. One zone has kimchi inside. You can see kimchi and other kimchi there. It is set to long-term storage option. Here other side we have kimchi ripening kimchi, so this side isn't so cold. Make a radish kimchi right there. So this the menu for first zone. Power button, easy clean for cleaning, remove the old frost. Here you have long-term storage, store-bought kimchi or long-term storage. Here you have storage selection, fruit, vegetable. This bag too, or radish kimchi, or meat, fish. Keep it fresh. And here you have high, medium, and low. Here's 1 day fermentation kimchi to ripen. Then it will go to taste the kimchi and test, and then 2 more hours if more fermentation is needed. And this one is a fermentation, special science fermentation, and is for water kimchi, regular kimchi, and radish kimchi. Unlock button. And on this side, zone 2, same thing. This side is fermenting, 2 more hours for freshly made radish kimchi. So there is Dimchae Kimchi Refrigerator, a 2 zone. Also have odor fresh, keep it not smell. Same on this side. And you can carry many 4 large container more down there for much kimchi storage or the winter. So use same as berry kimchi in the ground in winter, does same technology, except more easy and convenient to use. Dimchae.